So this is a small Python code for data cleaning and pre-processing a large data set. So first we are importing the libraries. Pandas alias is PD, NumPy alias is NP, and Panda is for data manipulation and data frames. NumPy is for numerical operations and random number generations, while random is for random operations. So here a random seed is being created through with this np.random.seed for numpy to generate random number. So we are creating a sample data for names and cities. Then in data we are randomly generating names, age, gender, city and joint date. For example, age in the range 18 to 70, gender random selection, and city also random selection, while joint date in the range from 2015-0101. This data dictionary is converted into a data frame and stored in DF. So here with this line df.log.df.samplefrag 0.05 equal to np.nan, we are adding missing values randomly in the columns name, age, gender, city. While with this code we are adding 5 duplicate rows, while with this code we are adding outliers, as in the unthinkable values of age as 150, 200 and 300. With this line in the city we are converting the city string into upper case as well as adding trailing spaces. So with df to CSV we are saving this entire data set in a file called as large sample data set, and we are printing the size of that. Now here we are identifying how many missing values are there by giving this code of df.isNull.sum. Then we are replacing the missing values with the mean value with this code, that is fill na df call dot mean. Similarly we are replacing the categorical missing values with the mode value with this code fill na df call mode. We are removing the duplicates by giving the code drop duplicates and then identifying after removal how many are remaining. Using IQR method, IQR stands for interquartile range, wherein we'll be going for the first quartile and the third quartile and the interquartile range to define the outliers. Then we are standardizing the format, as in we are converting it into title case, then the stripping the spaces. Then the date is converted into a format called as date time format. The entire data set is saved in large clean dataset.csv. Then the messages are shared, that is data cleaning is completed. What is the size of the data set, and the first 5 rows are shown. This is a small code.